and welcome to the in-depth series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about that loudspeakers are part of essential religion or not. So here we are going to discuss that many times we can see that there were so many debates over the use of loudspeaker in terms of any religious gathering, and that creates trouble for many common people. So this has been widely debated. Some people say that they are expressing their religion. Some people say that they are violating the peace of the people. So this is a very debatable issues. So here we are with this discussion that what Bombay High Court has to say in this matter, because the matter has reached to the Bombay High Court and the Bombay High Court has given a decision. So we are going to discuss on that. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the court directives to the government and police, and then we are going to discuss about the case, and then what are the concerns over the noise pollutions, and then police responsibility and enforcement of the law, and what is the judicial observation regarding this matter, and then practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIAS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So before moving to the news part, I want to make an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS has come up with the huge discount on the occasion of Republic Day, and it is giving you 40% off on all online pen drive and test series courses, and also 25% on DLP, which is distance learning program, and books. And the offer is valid from 24th to 26th of January. If you want to know more information about such kind of the offers, you can call on to the number 87501 and you can also download the Drishti Learning app. So coming to the discussion part, the news is that a case has been reached to the Bombay High Court regarding the use of loudspeaker, and in that case Bombay High Court has observed that use of loudspeaker is not essential part of any religion. So this is the highlight of the discussion, that what is the essential part of the religion and whether it is violative of Indian Constitution or not. So coming to the next one, which is about the background of the case. So what happened that in Mumbai there was a �𝐾𝐲 area where residents of the 𝐾𝐲 area reached to the court, and they said that after having several complaints to the police and various other organizations, we are not able to handle this case, and we can see that there is a irresponsible way of using the loudspeaker for the religious gathering, and the matter has reached to the court, and after that the court has given its decision. So this is the background of the case. And what is the legal basis reference here? So the legal basis reference here, that the plea cited the 2016 High Court judgment which clarified that use of loudspeaker is not an essential part of any religion and thus does not qualify for the protection under the Article 25 of the Indian Constitution. And Article 25 of the Indian Constitution deals with the freedom of religion. So if anybody or any religious group is using the loudspeaker beyond the permissible limit, then it is a punishable offense. So coming to the next one, which is about the concerns over the noise pollution. So the court highlighted that there are many concerns related to the noise pollution. Many people feel dizziness, many people feel various kind of mental issues, health disorders. So this is a serious matter, and you cannot use any loudspeaker beyond the permissible limit. And it has decided that there was a guideline issued that for the daytime we can use 55 decibels, and for the night time we can use the 45 decibels. So this is for the day and this is for the night. And if anybody is violating such kind of the rules, then it is a punishable offense. And the court has also said to the police that if you are catching some people related to using such kind of the things, you can also punish them. So this is the thing. And the court had also observed that this is not just matter of 45 decibel or 55 decibel. If simultaneously 2 loudspeaker or 3 loudspeakers are used together, so that they are giving like more than 80 decibels, and that would be very dangerous to our ears and dangerous to the environment also. So coming to the next one is about the police responsibility and enforcement measures. So the bench has criticized the police ignorance and government issues, and they were failed to enforce noise pollution norms. And here they had suggested a few things to the police. Use decibel measuring mobile application. So every police should have a mobile application which can trace that in this particular area the decibel limits have been in fact crossed. So you have to just see that thing and you have to observe that thing and you have to take action against it. Then caution first time violators, and if it is happening repeatedly you can impose fines. You can delegitimize their licenses used for the use of the loudspeaker. So there can be, the punishment can vary. It's up to the how many times violators and defaulters they are. So these are the guidelines issued to the police. Now we'll discuss the judicial observation on public nuisance. So the court noted that if certain things become a very intolerable and it is creating a nuisance, in that case the public comes to the court, and that should not happen because this particular thing has been violated since many times and people are so fed up that they had to reach to the court. And it stressed the need of proactive enforcement of laws to address noise pollution and maintain public order. So this is the judicial observation regarding this matter. Then we'll discuss the practice question for prelims. Before discussing what is this highlight about all these discussion, the highlight about all this discussion is that whether this particular thing is related to Article 25 of the Indian Constitution or not. So it is not related to the Article 25 of the Indian Constitution because we have right to express our religious affiliations and religious thing, but in the name of religion we cannot disturb anybody. So this is the motive of this country, that if anybody wants to profess their religion and religious values, they all have right to profess their religious values. But that should not create discomfort of the people. That should not violative of the Indian Constitution. So this is the whole discussion, this is the conclusion of whole discussion, that we cannot use of loudspeaker is not a part of Article 25 of the Indian Constitution, which states about the freedom of religion. So in the this is homework for you, that you have to read Article 25 to 28, and it is about the religion and what are the rules and regulations related to that. And Bombay High Court had also clarified this thing, that there is an enforcement issues, and with the help of technology and with the help of maintaining law and order we can easily curb this particular problem. Now we'll discuss the question part. What decibel level is permissible in resident areas during the night time as per the noise pollution norm? So we already had discussed about the day times and night time. This is very easy one. So 55 decibel, 80 decibel, 45 decibel, 50 decibels. So you can answer into the comment section. So that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. And PYQ is very much important on this topic because in UPSC prelims there are many questions related to the freedom of religion and Article 25. So you revisit all those questions and then prepare for your examination. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.